Hi everybody, today we're out here and we're going to show you a couple extra uses for your SGS, your Aqualine series lance, and the Mezzo valve. There are a number of different ways to use these products, many of which are the best ways to possibly clean hard surfaces. Some of the products we're going to be using for the nozzles are going to be a turbo nozzle, which is a 4.0, and that's fitted to this pressure washer, along with a soap nozzle or chem nozzle. That's the black one that comes with most pressure washers. And then also, we're gonna use a yellow 15 degree that is also sized to the pressure washer, so it's a 4.0. Some of the basic safety procedures you wanna follow when using a turbo nozzle, because of the debris that can get kicked up, are glasses, closed-toed shoes, and usually you wanna have on gloves, if not just a rubberized glove, because we're using some chemicals. All right, so what you wanna do is apply your chemical. The chemical is really going to be what does the work for you. The pressure will remove the debris, but the chemical is used to loosen it up. So in this case, I'm gonna do nice, even passes, nice and slow with a turbo nozzle because it's a 0-degree tip that's spinning. If you go fast, you're gonna get circles. So you wanna go slow and steady, and you'll see the oscillation of the stream pick up on the front and the back of the spray pattern. Another option, once you have already applied chemical and or used the turbo nozzle, is you can install your 15-degree tip, and at that point, you can use it as a rinse nozzle, so you can spray things away.